Hello. Today we're going to show you the Homtone wet and dry coffee and spice grinder. So first I'd like to admire this design here. I like the action on this knob. This knob is actually to control the time that the machine grinds, which adjusts the coarseness or fineness of your product. Here we'll demonstrate and explain the differences between the two types of grind cups. So as you can see here, one of them has a single arm, 2 blade, and the other has 4 blades. So first we'll show you key features of the the dual blade single arm. So if you look carefully here, you can see that arm can actually rock back and forth. It is not fixed in position. This is for dry ingredients. So you cannot use water or wet ingredients in this. We recommend not even things wet like garlic or onion. I can demonstrate for you why. So as you pulverize those ingredients and grind them up, water will come out of them. And as you see here, it will eventually drip out of the machine. So you don't want that. You don't want those ingredients to drip into the inside of the machine here. It could cause damage to the motor. So this is, again, the 2 blades is for dry ingredients. So you could use that for coffee beans and lentils, and dried peppers. But you wouldn't use that for onions or garlic. Okay. Now for the wet ingredients, this unit here has a fixed blade, so it does not rock back and forth. I'm not going to stick my finger in there too much, but this is fixed in place. It will not lean side to side like the other. And it's sealed, so it has a gasket. It won't let the liquids come through the bottom. So I can demonstrate for you here. These liquids won't drip out. So this is for your wet ingredients. So this is what you'll use for onions or for garlic, things of that nature. A key note for this is when using this for your wet ingredients, if you look here, you can observe that there's a label that shows a lock and unlock symbol. And here in the machine, there's a small white dot. We're going to line up the unlock with that. And then when you push that down, next you'll rotate it clockwise. And you'll feel and hear the machine lock into place. And make sure that that's locked into place. If not, then the machine will not function. So this is to make sure that it's safe to use. Okay, so I'll give a quick demonstration of that one more time. So here we have the unlock. Here we have the white dot. Push down. You'll feel it click and rotate clockwise. There you go. And then the same concept for the lid here. So here on the lid we have the unlock and lock. So we'll line up the unlock with that white dot. Push down and rotate clockwise. And again, you'll hear and feel that click into place. And you see now it's solid. So we can do that one more time. There you go. And now we can demonstrate the use of the timing knob. So the further to the right, or the more time you add, these represent seconds, the more finely it will grind. So if you start here with 5 seconds, or if you start here with 2 seconds, it'll only grind for 1 or 2 seconds. There you have it. If the cup's screwed in properly, but we don't screw the lid in, again, it will not work. So that's for your safety, to make sure that things are secured and you cannot put your fingers in while it operates.